Hey guys, Chad Nicely here. I'm actually shooting this video right here inside the studio. Just finished up production on another project. I received a phone call and I've got great news for you. Today is the day that we are going to release MemberHub. Okay, so I said, hold on a minute. I want to go shoot a video and let them know exactly where we're at with this project. So before you run off, start building your membership sites, just hear me out just for a minute, okay? Because many of you know that MemberHub has been in development for the past year. You saw that page go up. You saw all the comments come in. When we started building MemberHub, we weren't trying to just build another product to go out there and launch, okay? I'm not really in that business anymore. I despise that. But instead, what we wanted to do is we wanted to build the ultimate platform that I still believe will become the flagship platform for membership sites. And it's amazing how much this thing evolved. It went from being a classy, simple platform that you could create in a matter of minutes to just a whole nother animal. I mean, we're going to create your sales pages for you. You're going to have gamification. You're going to be able to set up goals on your pages. So when you have your training, you can simply say, okay, step number one is you're going to register for the domain. So they're going to go and they're going to register for the domain, okay, if that's their first goal. Goal number two, we want you to go and buy hosting, okay? So they're going to go and they're buy hosting. They get points for doing this. They get awarded for points. It's awesome, okay? And remember, at the start, we said we're focused on retention and we're focused on monetization, okay? That's what we've done with MemberHub. But we have also made this to where everybody, and I mean everybody, is going to be able to create membership sites. You're going to be doing it in no time at all. There's not a bunch of windows that you got to open up. I mean, this interface, guys, has been redesigned so many times because every single time we had a working prototype, we logged in. I said, no, it's just too confusing. Back to the drawing board. It needs to be easier. Every single person that purchases this, they need to learn how to use this. Okay? And I'm telling you, I think you guys can understand it. But here's what we're going to do. Because I can sit here and tell you about all day long the stuff that MemberHub does. It's awesome. Okay? I'm going to let you play around with this for a little while. And then either on this page or in this email, you should find a link. And we want you to go ahead and register for that webinar. Now, I don't have anything to sell you on the webinar or nothing else. I just want to reach out to you. I want to hear about your experiences, your first impressions. I want to hear what we could do better, what we could make easier. Okay, I value your guys' feedback, and so do my partners. And then we'll go back to the drawing board. And while we're in beta access, we'll just keep working away. And you guys have seen how we've done this with easy links in my product library. I really pay attention to what you have to say, and we go back to the drawing board and we just keep perfecting it until it's just stupid simple. Okay, so I'm really relying on your guys' help to get there. Now, to make it really easy for you, here's what we've done. I've already shown you guys for the past 6 months some of the beautiful templates that we've designed. They've been done for quite some time. However, because of the different layouts with the templates and such, there's different options. And right now, I want to keep this very easy. So we have opened up the one theme that we want you using. Now, I want you to build out your whole entire membership site, okay? Once you put all your videos in, all your content in, you're going to build up libraries over here. Everything inside of MemberHub is based on libraries. So you build up your resources, you pull them in. You build up your rewards, you pull them in. You build up your instructors, you pull them in, okay? You build all these databases and then you pull them into your individual pages. It's awesome what we've done. I think you're going to understand this, all right? So we want you just to use that one template right now, pull everything in, create it, set up your gamification, your resources, everything, okay? And then, just like WordPress, flip of a switch, you're going to be able to switch your theme, okay? So don't get hung up on the theme. Just learn how the software works. And I'm telling you guys, I think you're going to be able to get this, all right? Worst case scenario, next week, I got my kids this weekend, we are going to run a webinar, okay? I'll get on the webinar with you. I'll show you exactly what you should be doing with MemberHub, where we're going with it, because we're relying on your guys' feedback. We're kind of stuck on some of the monetization options. And before I get too deep in it, I have some ideas on what I think. I want to see where you guys are at and your understanding of things. Is that fair? So at this point, guys, All you got to do is go create your membership site. You start adding products individually. I will say this, for every product you have, you need to have at least one package, okay? Next week, I'll tell you the difference between the packages and the levels. A level allows you to clump individual products together as one, so you're able to create a level. And a package allows you to take one product and break that down. So if you have upsells, or if you have like an ebook and then an audio course and then a coaching program, well, those three things can be different packages, okay? It's awesome. You guys, I don't want to overwhelm you. I'll just join you on the webinar next week, and we will be watching the group very closely, okay? Make sure you get registered for the webinar, guys, and I'll make it reoccurring so you'll see a bunch of dates, because I want to stay in touch with you as we are progressing with MemberHub. All right? Fair enough? All right. Good luck.